Watch the full video for 10 years good luck. The Ferrari F12 has a top speed of 211 miles per hour. The Ferrari F12 does 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. This Ferrari has a 6.5-litre V12. The Ferrari F12 was built to replace the Ferrari F12. The Ferrari F12 was designed to be a fast but comfortable long-distance GT car. The Ferrari F12 has a staggering 789 horsepower.